going on, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to switch out a battery on your Chevy Camaro, Chevy Cruze, Chevy, any kind of Chevy key fob that looks exactly like this. Usually when your battery is not working, it usually causes a car to not be able to turn on. For instance, that's what happened in my case. I just had to switch out the battery and I was good. So let's go ahead and I'll show you. So here, just press the button and pull out the key. It should look like that right there. And then you're gonna get the key and put it in this hole and kind of just spin it. So after you kind of pop it open, it should look something like that. All you're gonna wanna do is just take the cap off. And that battery, all you have to do is just replace it with one of these 2032 lithium batteries. I already got one replaced, so I'm just showing you how to do the second one. But the plus side is gonna be going down. So in the way you take off the battery, all you have to do is just kind of get into it and then pop it off. So you take the little sticker off and you're gonna put it face down. So I'll show you the plus sign right there. It's popped in. All you have to do is just pop it back together. All right, and you're all set. And that's how you replace your battery.